Hey guys, today I will be giving you a tour of my home. But as you know, today is Quick Tip Wednesday, and I have a quick tip and then I will start the tour. Now, do you guys have artwork that you no longer like, or it is no longer fits into your decorating style? Well, as you know, I like to make old things new again, so I have painted over this original piece with an off-white paint, and now I'm going to add a dollar store sticker and make the sign new again. And so here I placed it in my guest bedroom, and I will share this room with you guys on Friday in a special video that I have planned for you. So please come back on Friday for my guest bedroom tour. Now let's get into the tour for today. Now you guys know how I like to do my tours. I like to let you watch the tour to music, and if you have any questions, please list them below. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on Friday.